Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sharifan Kede and I am a bartender for today and we are making Pink Lady. So let's start. 60 ml gin, 20 ml grenadine syrup, 10 ml lime juice and egg white. First we do dry shake. And top up with syrup.